To enhance the safety of buildings and construction works, the Development Bureau is proposing to step up penalties by amending the Buildings Ordinance. They include the introduction of fixed penalties of $6,000 for non-compliance with the mandatory building inspection scheme notice. The Bureau has also proposed raising the level of penalties against the mandatory window inspection scheme. New offenses will also be introduced. Failure to comply with notices issued resulting in death or injury or damage to property will face a maximum fine of $300,000 and 1 year imprisonment. There are also new rules targeting new unauthorized building works. The Bureau plans to introduce a fixed fine of $10,000 for non-compliance with removal orders. If convicted repeatedly, offenders can face a maximum fine of $40,000 and a prison term of 1 year.